ሰላም ሰላም የብሬሊ አካዳሚ ቤተሰቦች፣ ዛሬ ደግሞ የምናየው የአስረኛ ክፍል ዩኒቨርሲቲ ኢንትራንስ ኤግዛም ላይ የመጣውን አንድ ጥያቄ እንሰራለን። ይሄ ጥያቄን የምንሰራው ሜቢ ብዙዎቻችሁ ትቸገራላችሁ። ብዙ ተማሪዎች ይሄን እንደዚህ አይነት ጥያቄ ሲመጣ ራይት ሃንድ ሩል ነው ሌፍት ሃንድ ሩል ነው የምጠቀመው ተብሎ ብዙ ጊዜ ሲቸገሩ አያለሁ እና that's why I'm doing this questions። ጥያቄው እንዲህ ይላል: circular path followed by two charges Q1 and Q2 moving with the same speed in a uniform magnetic field directed into the page are shown in the figure below. If two charges have the same mass, which of the following is correct about the sign and the magnitude of charges? And four options are given as follows. So ወደዚህ ስንመጣ ምንድነው የምናየው? ይሄ ቻርጅ 1 አለች፣ እዚህ ጋር ቻርጅ 2 አለች, and we do have four options. So there is a magnetic field into the page, into the page, and we are asked to find which statements are correct from these options. The first option says Q1 is positive and Q2 is negative, while Q1 magnitude is less than Q2. The same speed and the same mass. Only these are given to us. The charges have the same speed and the same mass. If you remember, this charge is rotating on this thing. It's rotating on this thing. So to compare the magnitude compare ለማድረግ ምን እናደርጋለን ማለት ነው? የሁለቱን ቻርጆች the law of the principle of ምንድነው የምንጠቀመው? The principle of the rotating things. አንድ ነገር የሆነ ሰርክል ላይ ሮቴት የሚያደርግ ከሆነ what keeps that object to rotate on that circles every time? So we know it is mv square over r. That is centripetal force ነው ማለት ነው። ይሄን ነገር ሮቴት እንዲያደርግ የሚያደርገው. So it's a rotational force or the centripetal force that keeps this charge to rotate. ችንም ቻርጅ እዚህ ላይ እንድትሽከረከር፣ ችንም ቻርጅ እዚህ ላይ እንድትሽከረከር. And now we know this, the center of rotation እዚህ ጋር ቢሆን, so the radius of R1 is this one, and the radius of this one is R2. And we know R1 is less than R2. I mean, this is R2, this is R1. Because this is here, it's R1. So we know R1 is greater than R2. So this is V1, mass 1, this one. And for the second one, which is equal to, we'll see the force for charge. The force of charge that is created here, the magnetic field charge like create የሚያደርገው magnetic field is a force due to the magnetic field on the charge, which is equal to QVB. And this is Q1, this one. And M2 V2 squared divided by R2 is equal to Q2 V2 B over R2. This is so, sorry, it's like this. እንደዚህ ይሆናል ማለት ነው. Then let's compare this thing. ይሄንን compare እናደርጋቸው. Then let's divide this one by this one and divide this one by this one. So mass 1 equal ስለሆኑ ማሳቸው እኩል ነው. So since the mass is equal, we can just, so mass 1 V1 squared over R1 is equal to Q1 mass, QV1 times B. This is the centripetal force that keeps this charge into the center. Charge እዚህ ላይ እንድትሽከረከር ያደረጋል force ነው ማለት ነው. Because the centripetal force is provided by the magnetic field on this charge at this point. And for this one, mass 2 V2 squared over R2 is equal to Q2 V2 over B. Why I'm using this thing? Because I know that these charges are, it's given that these charges are rotating on this circle, the alternate circles, and for every rotating object, the centripetal force is given like this, and this centripetal force is now provided by the magnetic force, because the charge is moving in this uniform magnetic field and it is rotating on this path, so the centripetal force must be provided by this thing, by this force. And let's take the ratio to compare them. Let's divide this one by this one, divide by this one. So I know that mass 1 is equal to mass 2 and V1 is equal to V2. It's given already here. We are given initially. Since they are equal, mass 1 will cancel by mass 2, V1 will cancel out by V1 squared, and here also this will cancel out. Since magnetic field is uniform, it will go away. Now we are left with 1 over R1 divided by 1 over R2 is equal to, and I mean, yeah, it's equal to Q1 divided by Q2. So I mentioned that here, R1 is greater than R2 because the distance from here to here, the largest radius is less greater than the smallest radius. So here we do have, from this one, we do have R2 divided by R1, which is equal to Q1 divided by Q2. Now, Q2 is equal to Q2 times, please cross Nabaza, Q2 times R2 is equal to Q1 times R1. That will be it. So Q2 is equal to R1 divided by R2 times Q1. Now we have got this one. But what is R1 divided by R2? Since R1 is greater than R2, since R1 is greater than R2, R1 divided by R2 is greater than 1. So this Q2 must be greater than this one. Because it's equal to some number greater than R1 divided by R2 is greater than 1. Because R2 must be, Q2 must be greater than Q1. Q2 must be greater than Q1. Q2 must be greater than Q2. Q2 must be greater than Q1. This Q2, the charge here must be greater than this one. If you don't want this one, if the speed is the same, if the mass is the same, the reason why this charge must rotate here is because it has very large, very large charge. Every time the largest charge comes to the center because the force must be very large. You see, charge or radius በጣም ትንሽ ነች. It is directly proportional to the charge. It's directly proportional. Inversely proportional to the charge. As charge increase, radius of the rotation will be very small. በሌላ መቋንቋም እንዴት መስራት እንችላለን? So charge ትልቅ ሲሆን the force, magnetic force ምን ይሆናል? ይጨምራል. Because a magnetic force on charge is directly proportional to the charge that's moving into it. So as the charge increases, the magnetic force increases, so the radius will be very small. So since it is attracted toward the center. በዛ መመለስ እንችላለን. So we have to know this one. Either this or this are the answer. This and this cannot be the answer. Now let's determine the sign. So to determine the sign, we use right-hand rule. We use right-hand rule. Right-hand rule. So let's use right-hand rule. Right-hand rule. So every time you use right-hand rule, so we will draw this one. Right-hand rule እንጠቀማለን ማለት ነው. So let's draw and let's use our thumb. So every time we use right-hand rule, this indicates direction of charge. Direction of charge. Of charge movement. Charge. Or direction of V. Charge የምትሄድበት አቅጣጫ ነው የሚያሳየው. And this indicates direction of magnetic field. And this indicates the direction of force. Now, I will put the charges are moved that direction. The magnetic field is inside. The force is toward the center. So here the charge is positive. Because if this fit, look, right-hand rule ተጠቅሜ የሚሰራልኝ ከሆነ it's charge, positive charge ነች ማለት ነው. So charge is moving that direction. The magnetic field is into the page and the force is to the center. See? The force must be to the center. እቺ ቻርጅ እንድትሽከረከር ፎርሱ ምን መሆን አለበት? ወደ መሃል መሆን አለበት ማለት ነው. ፎርስ ወደ መሃል እንዲሆን ይሄ ቻርጅ ነው የሚያሳየው. ማግኔቲክ ፊልዱ into the page ነው. So this must be positive charge. So Q2 is positive ማለት ነው. So Q2 is positive charge. Positive because it works by right hand. ቀኝ እጄን ስጠቀም ስለሚሰራ ማለት ነው. ቀኝ እጄን ስጠቀም ይሰራል. You see? The force must be to the center because I know that this charge is rotating. So the force must be towards the center and this always indicates the direction of charge and the right hand rule works. And let's try this for this one. It doesn't work, you see? Force ወደ ውጭ ነው እያለኝ ያለው. Or ወደዚህ ሳዞር ደግሞ ቻርጁን አላገኘው. The magnetic field must be into this page. So it does not work. Now let's use right hand. Left hand. The Snell's law. Left hand ስትጠቀም it works because the force is toward the center and the charge is that direction and the magnetic field is into the page. You can use this way or use this way. So it works. So Q1 must be negative. Q1 must be negative charge. So we are done. So Q1 is negative, Q2 is positive. So Q1 is positive and Q2 is negative. So this cannot be negative. This cannot be negative. Q1 is negative. Of course, Q1 is Q1 is negative. Q1 is negative. Q2 is positive. Okay, Q2 is positive and Q1 is negative. While Q1 is less than Q2. Q2 is greater than Q1. Sorry, Q2 is greater than Q1, which means Q1 is less than Q2. So the answer is this one. This one is the answer. That's it. So ሁሌም እዚህ ጋር እንድታውቁ የምፈልገው if we have negative charge we use left hand rule, but if we are doing for positive charge we use right hand rule. If right hand rule is convenient for it, the charge is positive. If right hand rule is not convenient and we used negative left hand rule, that charge must be negative. So